What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video. Today we're looking at the new AirPods 3. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified on the next videos to come, up tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. So basically, this is the AirPods 3. We're gonna unbox this today and sync it to our phone and show you if it's any good or not. So here we go. So here it is, packaging right here, logo design, the packaging right here. Let's open this up. Here it is. Cool. So inside is the literature designed by Apple in California. Let's put this out. Of course, the inside it has the literature right here. It's the instructions on how to use it for sure. There you go. Pretty good. Some more literature right there, and that's that. There we go. Now let's look at the AirPods right here. On the bottom it also has more accessories like the cable right there. That's it for the box there. Let's just take this off the case now. There we go. This also comes with a USB-C to Lightning cable, which is really good right there. I like how the Apple released that with the new cables there instead of the USB-A. Very nice. Let's go ahead and open this up and sync it to our phone. Let's open this up. Boom. AirPods 3 right there. Let's hit connect here to sync it to our phone. There it is. It would show you the media controls there. Let's hit skip and done. Fully charged right there. Pretty cool. There you go. Let's go ahead and test this out, show you guys what this thing can do. So this is the design right there of the AirPods, new AirPods 3. There it is. AirPods 3 right there. Has a little print on the bottom there as well. I don't know if you could see that. And it has this little media control sides right there. Let's go ahead and put this on and test it out. Let's play some music here. Oh yeah. So the controls for this also has the stereo there. It has the head track for the spatial audio. There you go. It also has a noise control right there. Noise cancellation or transparency. Pretty cool. I guess this one is just tracking your head. It's not really specialized stereo, they call it now. Pretty good. It also has this little background noise that Apple has now as well. You can do live listen. There you go. So that you can hear people around you. There's also the background noise if you want that. For example, if you want to change the media controls, you can also click that. It'll pause the music, it'll play the music right there. You can double click it'll go to the next music right there, so you could see. And then if you hit 3 times, that would be going back to the music right there. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new AirPods 3. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you notice, actually, this is a fake one. So if I fooled you there, go ahead and grab yourself one. I'm pretty sure there's, let me know in the comments below if there's things that are different. If you actually have the AirPods 3, I don't have it. If you actually have it, make sure to comment below what's different that you've noticed. But yeah, this is the fake one. It's not the real one. It's not the original version from Apple. I got this from China for $40 Canadian, so that's actually for the quality, it's not bad at all. They even have the packaging and all that stuff, you know, a little bit cheaper compared to Apple's, but it's not bad at all. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button as well, and see you next time. Peace.